Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Say hello to my room. Today we are going to make over this NTORQ 125 of one of my friend Prince. So he gave me to make over this NTORQ with, let me show you, with some decals he bought from, I think, WrapAndRide. Yes, you can see. Yes, he bought this from WrapAndRide, and so he gave me an offer to install this on his ride. So let me figure it out. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so the combination of these decals will be this one with red, blue, white. So basically it will be white, so yeah, it will match with this blue background. So let's assemble it together, then we'll try to install it. And one more thing, we'll figure out how to install this Yamaha V3 winglet kind of here, so it will give a good look also. So we'll figure it out. And we have also ordered some carbon fiber decals, 5D carbon fiber decals, as you can see. So we will put this on something around here and the winglet, I guess so. So let's figure this out and start with the work. Okay, so I figured it out which one will go where, kind of. So I'm pretty much confident that these two will go over here and the other side, and this one and where this one, these two will come over here to match the decal with these stripes. So I'm confident over there too. And this one with the curve shape, and this one too will come over here and the other side. And yeah, and these two will come over that mudguard over there, front mudguard. And one thing I'll be getting difficult of the decal will be this one. So this particular one will come over here. So the main part is that this nav plate won't come off because of these two pinholes which is fixed, and I can't get this nav plate off from right here. So we have to kind of figure it out, like cutting the decal over there and putting half over from here and half from here. So we'll figure it out, and I'm pretty much not sure about where these two decals will come. So I guess it will come over here. Yes, that two decals will come over here. So we have to remove these two mirrors before that. Then we'll do the rest of the things like the winglet and the carbon fiber decals over here. So let's start with cleaning the ride over here, and let's start with the time lapse. Okay, so we have finished with the cleaning work. So now we will start over with the decals, and hopefully we will be doing it right. So let's start with it, and let's continue with the time lapse. done with one back of the ride, and it looks pretty much dope from this side also. And we have to compromise this decal because here is the logo of the NTORQ here, and I didn't want to put it out, so I put over it and it looks like this. So I have to somehow bring the decals down over here, but the thing is it didn't cover up this place, so I just cut it out and managed to align this line over here with this one, so it doesn't look that bad. So I'm going to put it right there and do with the rest of the things. So let's start with that. Okay, so half of the work is done, and this is the look from one side. NTORQ 125, and of course we did have to compromise the decal a little bit, because if we didn't have to cut it here, the decal won't come till this corner, so we have to cut a little bit. Then now we will go finish the other side, and then we'll figure out these two parts, because we have to remove these two mirrors, and then we have to figure it out and put this side of the decal, the middle part. Then we'll go for the carbon fiber here and here. So let's continue. Okay, so we have done with both the sides. Now we'll remove these two mirrors, and then we'll try to put these two decals, then we'll move forward after that. Okay, so this is the front part of the NTORQ, and it looks like this. So now we will install these two mirrors, and then we'll figure out how to put. So we figured out that putting this on will not give that much of a look, because it will be too much of white, to be honest. So I talked with Prince to whether put it or not, so he also said not to put it because it will go too much of white. So let's just leave it with the black output in the middle, so it will be good. That's it. Okay, so we are done with the decals. Now we will go for the carbon fiber part, so let's just go for it. Okay, so the carbon fiber part is complete. Basically everything is complete. Now this is the carbon fiber look, and here also. And for now the winglet is kind of done with the carbon fiber, but it's not that successful because of the shapes and all. Yeah, now I have to figure it out how I can put this winglet over here. So let's figure that out before the time goes by. Okay, so we have a negative result here because this won't be fitting over there, and it will fit but it will harm the front mudguard over there, so let's just leave it. So one last thing I need to show you guys is this particular NTORQ is keyless. Let's see this. It's lock and it's unlocked, and you can actually start it without using the key. Oh, I think the kill switch is off. Okay, bloper. Okay, so let's start it again. So this is the lock, this is the unlock, and this just like that. I started from 9:30 and look what time it is. So this much work has to be done to complete one vehicle fully wrapped. It took me around more than 4 hours, I think, and this is the result, guys.